that are impassable.
Would you get that snowball?
There are also some interstates that are, portions of the interstates
That's
that
a
are
snowball?
shut down. For example, Interstate 75 is closed just north of the 134-mile marker in Campbell County. Now, for you out-of-towners who may be stranded in the area, that is going north towards Kentucky. So basically, you cannot get over the Jellicoe Mountain there. I-75 southbound is open, but trust me, it's very slow going. Westbound I-40 is closed in Cumberland County. Once again, for you out-of-towners, that is going west towards Nashville. An accident yesterday involving a couple of tractor-trailers created this closure there, and the routes are still there, so basically it's shut off for at least a while. So, still very treacherous driving. You've heard it before, I'm going to say it again. Probably best to stay and stay off the road.
Cindy, where did
Robin, thanks very much.
Scarf
Other news now, the offices of the former officers of the Knox County Education Association were among those
lying on the dryer
in an ongoing fire. Flames had spread through the entire county-owned building at Tulip and Hines Street when firefighters arrived on the scene around 2:30 this morning. Extreme weather conditions made it tough for those firefighters to battle the flames. The building is a total loss. We wanted to also point out this morning that the storm is shutting down delivery of today's Knoxville News Sentinel. The president and CEO Bob Hively saying the Sentinel is concerned for the safety of its employees, and this move will keep many of them treaty.
Kazakhstan has
There's your face. Hello.
And in order to get on with Russia, we have to have all of them aboard.
Sissy.
No one
Let me see your face, Sissy.
Thus nothing is occurring with regard to those missiles. Well,
Oh, look at all that snow.
looks like it will delay.
My goodness, snow everywhere. Is that fun, Sissy? She got her mitten off.
Uh-oh.
Wow, snow everywhere.
On their part, are that they're talking possibly about a different kind of Russian foreign policy, but still friendliness to the United States. I think
Lots of snow.
the Russian Parliament, the ratification procedure. They were about
Sissy, wave to Grandma.
and we ought to push them to do so.
Senator Brown, at what point
Oh, little sugar.
that the Clinton administration, or any American administration, is to really
She wants them gloves off.
on air in particular?
You want on?
Well, I think that you have to
Wave
deal
too
with
big.
the elected president of a country,
Hello.
whoever that is.
Hello.
This case has to be Yeltsin. He's the only
Hello,
elected
sugar.
president, the only elected national figure in
Oh,
the country.
she's
I
eating
also
the
think it's
snow.
important that we keep our lines of communication
Oh.
open to
You
the
want big
Parliament.
snowball?
I think that there are
Here you go.
at least
There's
two,
your snowball.
maybe several more.
Give me a kiss, Cheyenne.
power in Russia today.
Give me a
Those
kiss.
in the political realm, the army is another, and the church
Kiss,
is
kiss.
another. I think all of those are very important players in this front. Recall,
Yeah, nice kiss.
the church was decisive at the moment in the White House when the head of the
Cindy's
Russian
making a
Orthodox
nice
Church
snowball.
moved to Yeltsin's side. One doesn't know
Thought
what
her
that
nice
is
sweet
gonna-
hubby
that
would.
is gonna be, or when it might occur. I think in terms of
planning her attack now.
I think that we should do several things. We should have massive exchanges. We should provide for debt
Too
relief.
soft.
We should move to Chernobyl-style reactors. We should have very
Either
solid
that or when her daddy
military
gets
aid
back,
in
she'll
terms
pelt
of
him with it.
medicines and some food
If
stuff.
it's still here.
And I
Make
think
a
that we
bunch
should
of them to
continue
freeze or pop
doing
daddy.
what we can to demilitarize the Soviet threat. Those are the things that I
Cheyenne
think are
loves
very
eating the
important for us
snow.
to do. Given the right economic circumstance
Better
in
keep
Russia,
her in.
we might even be
This Congress would like to receive.
Ow!
Heavyweight newborns tended to be taller
Oh, Cindy.
I'm watch Cody watching you. Make raviolis.
They don't wear my sticker.
Tape's almost over. We can watch it.
I'm not really making homemade raviolis. This is one of them do-it-yourself frozen kits. Ah!